guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with my next collaboration with In Love Arts, and I will link to their website, which is inlovearts.com, and I will link to all of the individual products that I have here in this video. And they have generously offered a 15% off discount code to my subscribers, and it is S16067. I will put that in the description box as well, so you don't have to worry about remembering that. All right, so let's see what we have here. I'm super excited. So these are bold English alphabet stamps, and I'm just gonna get them out and kind of show you today, and then I will come back and we will play with these. But these are, cling stamps, and they look very cool. I think that'll be fun to play with. So bold English alphabet stamps. These, I believe, are, these are the label tag flower plant stamps. So that is, let me put this here. That's what these are. So you've got some really pretty like floral circle frame label type stamps, some other little flowers and leaves, and some other banners and frames and labels here. So those will be really fun. Those are cool. And then these are, I think I have this right, the natural fruits and flowers stamps. So they're just cute little, just tiny little flowers and leaves. You've got some adorable little mushrooms down here. They're super cute, super cute. And then this one, I think, is the various leaves and flowers combining stamps. And so you have a nice big stamp here with all the little bits and pieces, and then you can sort of combine them any way you want, either into this shape or into other shapes, and just kind of layer them up and combine them. Super cool. And then this one here is the multiple decoration stamps. So these are like for edges and borders. And let me make sure, there we go. I'll make sure I have it the right way so you can see. So I love this little like swirly curly Q up here, and this is cute. And then you've got like a little heart vine and some other little floral decorative border stamps. So super cute. Those will be fun. So those are all the stamps. And then I got this, let's see, this is the Layering Creative Irregular Whole Stencil. So I thought that would be fun to play with. Let's pull that, there we go. Some of the little plastic pieces, it looks like, just didn't completely cut off of here, but that's fine. I can get those off. So, just a nice little random whole pattern for stenciling. So that'll be fun. We'll play with that. And then I have a few different dies. I'm so excited about this one. This is the mini rack die. So this will make a super cute little rack, and like that you can store stuff in. I'm so excited. We will probably play with that in the next video that I do for this collaboration. And then this one is a simple stitched square pocket die. So nothing fancy. Oops, it'll just make a little square pocket. So cool. Play with that. And then this one finally is the, I want to get the right name, the curve bag handle die. So you would use this to make a little handle, technically for like the top of a gift bag. You've got a score line here in the middle, so it'll fold in half, and then this this piece here should, my guess is it would pop up, but I could be wrong, so I'll have to play around with this and figure out exactly how it works. But I was thinking it would also be cute on the top of a tag, or a large tag or a large journaling card, just a cute little decoration for that. So yeah, we will play with all of this in some future videos, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to go check out all of the links in the description box for these items, and if you do head over, make sure you take advantage of the discount code. And I will be back soon. We're going to play with this one. I think that's going to make a fun little project. So we'll put that together and see what we come up with. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will be back soon. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.